You are watching Morning Musings with Reinhard von Hennigs, chairman and founder of House Law in Charlotte, North Carolina.
What are alternative proteins? Hello, this is Reinhard von Hennigs. The alternative protein industry is growing. It's growing worldwide. It's growing all over. Alternative proteins are, in a nutshell, groundbreaking technologies which start from soy-based sausages over to cultured meat. It goes into the whole non-dairy cheese production, where cheese is made through fermentation from non-dairy products. All those innovations share one thing in common. They promise to be healthier, they promise to be environmentally friendlier, and they promise to feed the world with much less resources than ever before. Many companies are investing in research and development, and they can capitalize on this trend. There is a competitive advantage for those who are in the market right now. I'm musing today about that because the announcement got out the other day that alternative proteins, alternative food sources could generate up to 250,000 jobs in Germany alone. Yes, that's 250,000 jobs. And it's also estimated that in 20 years, by 2045, it has a value of over 65 billion euros. It's a trend. It's a growing trend. And my question to you is, what are you doing to take your stake from this growing market? However, there are legal challenges. Legal challenges go down to the challenges related to IP protection. Are you, as a global company, safeguarding your IP protection? Because if you are in this fancy new world of biotechnology, fermentation processes, and whatever food-driven mechanisms are there available, all those product formulations are critical to be protected. So are you, if you're in this market, protecting your IP? And an IP is, as we all know, only as good as the market where it's filed for. So a global IP strategy means also that you need to file and apply for patents and trademarks and copyrights and you name it in each jurisdiction where you plan to sell your products or services. Second thought on a global scale are concepts of regulatory compliance. Whatever is food is defined by your taste, of course, but food is also defined by the law, where it boils down to food safety and the local authorities. Food safety and the different food safety authorities can or may come down to different results. So just because your product is considered to be safe and sound in one country, it does not mean that in the country where you're trying to export, it is considered to be safe as well. Just think about all the different chemicals added. In some countries, they are not allowed. In other countries, they are. And lastly, if you're selling goods abroad, consider cross-border contracts where governing law is a question, dispute resolution mechanism is a second question, liability clauses, contract enforcement, all of these should determine before you enter the market as to what you want to do. As a German-American attorney, I'm questioning, what can we learn from Germany? What are global growth strategies which seem to work in the alternative industry, in the alternative protein industry? And let's look at that. It is not only about the political support and the right R&D environment, but it seems to be that Germany was able to establish R&D hubs, and those R&D hubs work together in a very friendly environment. It is also the question of leveraging public-private partnerships. Wherever public and private partners get together and they do research, this means the technology and the research thrives. And lastly, there are strategic alliances to identify the market, and this is also something where the alternative protein market in Germany developed very different strategies. Why does it matter? Why does it matter for you as a global business person? As global business leaders, the alternative protein sector is a great revenue stream in the future. It talks about, and it's a testament which talks about your own approach to sustainability. And we see here how sustainability will go hand in hand with growth, will go hand in hand with profitability. Companies that embrace innovation, companies who proactively address legal challenges and are able to adapt flexibility are pruned for the future and are able to shape the future of food. Let's consider the potentials and ask yourself a question. Is your business ready, and is it equipped to lead in a world where sustainability, legal agility, and innovation are not only competitive advantages, but also prerequisites for financial and business survival? These answers could redefine your global strategy.
Whether you're a private citizen, an international business leader, or simply someone eager to stay on top of the latest news, this book is a great way to get caught up on the most recent developments in the worlds of international business, tax, politics, and social affairs. Go to morningmusings.com and order your copy today.
Thank you for joining us today. If you would like more information about Bridge House Law, please visit our website at bridgehouse.law. Before you go, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more up-to-date content. Bridge House Law, business-minded, client-focused.